Hey, it's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. You might be saying, is he crazy? He's outside and he's got his train in the snow. Well, that's right. And that's because we're going to use this electronic cleaner. My personal feeling is any chemicals, whatever, doesn't matter if they say they're safe or not. I assume all chemicals are unsafe. You don't want to breathe it in. You want to be out in the fresh air. And I'm outside. And you can see somebody's Christmas lights over there, pretty. Oh, there's more. Anyway, so I'm outside. It's freaking cold out here. But I'm going to give it a blast right into the engine mount. Right in there, hopefully. Wow. Try not to touch it. Try not to smell it. There you go. Now we'll see how my crazy idea works. I'll let that bleed off into the atmosphere, dissipate and dry up, evaporate. And it's already gone. That's incredible.